What's the meaning of capital? Capital. Capital.
Capital. Capital. Capital refers to the financial resources, assets, or wealth owned by individuals, businesses, or countries that can be used for investment or production purposes. It includes money, property, and other tangible or intangible assets that generate income and increase in value over time. Capital is essential for economic growth and development, as it provides funding for new businesses, infrastructure projects, and technological advancements. Without adequate capital, businesses and economies may struggle to grow, create jobs, and compete in the global marketplace.